In this video, I'll show you how to create a new demo account on the Exness app. First, open the Exness Trade app and log into your personal area. Exness says you can create trading accounts directly inside the app, including demo accounts, and demo accounts are available for all trading account types except standard cent. Once you're inside the app, go to the Accounts tab. Tap the drop-down menu, then tap the plus sign to add a new account. Exness says the next step is to choose the account type you want and tap Continue. After that, select the platform type, then choose Demo instead of Real. Now fill in the account details, such as your currency, max leverage, and optional account nickname. If you're creating an MT4 or MT5 demo account, Exness also says you'll need to set up a trading password before finishing. Then tap Create an account. Once it's created, your new demo account should appear in your account list, and you can switch to the demo section to find it more easily. Exness also lets you top up demo balance later from the demo account area if needed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.